Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this Barbie inspired look mixed with death and gore. I had so much fun doing this, and if you would like to know how to achieve it, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first I think I'm gonna do the gory bit, just in case I mess it up and then I have to do everything again, because I don't want to do an eye look and then the gory look and then mess it all up, and you know. So yeah, gory bits first. Okay, so I'm taking some liquid latex and a sponge, and I'm just going to apply some on my jawline. Next I'm going to take some cotton balls and I'm just going to like unroll them and then tear some pieces off and just kind of stick that to the wet latex. Now make sure that the cotton pieces aren't too long, otherwise the whole thing is just not going to come out very well. After that I'm going to take latex on a sponge and I'm just going to cover all the pieces of cotton that I've applied on my face. If there's any gaps, just apply more cotton and repeat the process. Once that's done, I'm going to take a wooden spatula and neaten out the edges. Next I'll be repeating the same process, only on the bottom half now. So I'll just be going backwards and forwards with the latex and the cotton until everything looks as I want it to. So if you feel like you're not getting anywhere, just keep working with it until you're happy with how it looks. After that I'm going to take a wooden spatula again and neaten out all the bottom edges as well. Up next I'm going to take some small scissors and I'm going to start cutting through the latex to create the rip. Make sure that you get the edges as jaggedy as you can, just so that it mimics a ripped face. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to apply some foundation to the edges just to blend everything in. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to use this Mirror on Makeup bruise wheel and I'm going to use the brown, red and yellow shades just to kind of like make it look like it's a bruised, ripped skin. I'm now going to take the yellow shade and apply this on the edges of the rip. Up next I'm taking the green from the same palette and putting that on the edges of the rip as well. After that I'm using a mixture of the red and brown together just to darken up all the colours. I'm just gonna go in with the foundation brush that I used earlier and just kind of like soften up the edges here. Next I'm going to take some scab blood and just place this on the inside of the rip that I've just created. For the next step, I'm going to take some fake blood and a stippling sponge and just place this all around the cut. For now I'm just going to leave that as it is, and I'm going to take the Life's a Drag palette from Lunar Beauty and I'm going to take the eyeshadow called Kai Kai and just apply that all over the eyelid. I'm then going to take shade Hunty from the same palette and just darken up the bits that I've already done on my eye. I'm now going to take a clean fluffy brush and blend out the edges. Next I'm going to take NYX's Epic Ink Liner and I'm just going to do some eyeliner on my eyes, but I'm not going to do a cat line. I'm just going to kind of keep it on the lash line. I'm then going to take shade Shady from the same palette and just soften up that dark eyeliner. Next I'm going to apply mascara and eyelashes off camera, and I'll see you in a bit. For the next step I'm going to use the Illamasqua Gel Sculpt in Silhouette, and I'm just going to contour my face. I'm then going to take a little bit of Suburbia eyeshadow and use it as blush. After that I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use Illamasqua's Electric Highlighter. For the next step I'm going to take Sugar Pills Barbara lipstick, and I'm going to apply that lightly on my lips with my finger. On the side with the rib, I'm going to apply the lipstick in a way that it looks smudged. Next I'm going to take this Fangs lip liner and I'm going to put this in the waterline. After that I'm going to take some fake blood and I'm going to use this around the ripped mouth area and do a drip effect, and also apply this around the eye and do a drip effect there as well. I'm then going to take this stippling sponge and stipple some of the blood onto my lips and wound. I'm then going to take a different type of blood. This is darker and thicker, and I'm going to do some drips under my eye and add some of the blood into the wound as well. Okay, so I think that is done in terms of makeup, and I will just show you the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've liked it, do show it some love, and I'll see you guys next time.